Today we got these apples. They're covered with caramel, and we have peanuts and chocolate chips on them. Comment below if you're allergic to peanuts. Yeah, I actually know somebody that is allergic to peanuts in my class. Yeah, me too. So we're gonna try these. I'm gonna pick this one. Pick the small one just in case I don't like it. Okay, let's eat it. 3, 2, 1. I don't even know that I don't know. This is kind of good. But we are going to try something else new right now. So hold on. Bye. We can't find the thing that we're trying. Okay, so let me go get water. I guess these are spicy. I'm so scared. I think I have these before. I am so scared. Oh my god. Oh yeah, you guys didn't know yet. My hair is crazy. I'm so scared. Hey guys, my friend just spilled water on me. On accident? On purpose. No. So we're gonna try these gummy bears. Don't worry, I was something to myself. On accident. They are very, very spicy. They're the hottest bears in the world. Yeah. So we're gonna try one. I don't want to. Okay. Let's get two. Like, look how red they are. That looks weird. I ripped it. I'm just getting one. Okay. So we're gonna try this. 3, 2, 1. Oh my god.
Oh. You want me to put the bed back in your room? That way you guys can do the video in your room?
No.